Welcome to Low Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use the new Google Pics tool to fix any problems or hallucinations you're having with infographics in NotebookLM. So if you're an avid user of NotebookLM, you've probably used it to generate infographics based on the information in your selected sources. But if you've done that enough, you know that infographics in NotebookLM can often have hallucinations in them, symbols that don't really make sense, images that don't make sense, just wrong facts, that kind of thing. Um, and the problem with it is those infographics in NotebookLM, there's no way to sort of fix those issues without regenerating that infographic. And if you regenerate the infographic, you might lose a lot of the things that you liked about what it did produce. So there was no way to fix those infographics in NotebookLM. However, if you download that infographic, you can upload the infographic into this new tool, Google Pics. And what Google Pics will do is it will sort of analyze the image looking for small images, text elements, that kind of thing. And it will distinguish those from each other, and then it will give you control over fixing just that one little thing. So if I click on this, right, it highlights it. This is all just one image from NotebookLM, but Google Pics has identified this as sort of its own thing. And so I can edit the text that's in that part of the image, or I can edit the image itself. Like, let's say uh, this hurdle right here for some reason is not on the arrow. I don't know what it's doing there. Maybe I just don't understand what the image is trying to convey and I want to fix it just a little bit. Um, I can just click on that part of this image and then ask Google Pics to edit just that part. And then that will leave everything else in the image the same. So if there's some stuff in there that you like and you want to keep, that won't change by editing this infographic this way. So even though there's no way to edit your infographics in NotebookLM, this new tool, Google Pics, does allow you to do that. You just have to understand how to make it happen. Download the infographic from NotebookLM, upload it into Google Pics. Then you can have a lot more control over fine tuning what that infographic looks like. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials, and you can find my videos on YouTube by searching Low Key PD.